Bathrooms get steamy fast, and a weak fan just doesn't cut it. I bought and installed 5 of the most talked about options to find the best bathroom exhaust fan that actually works. I tested noise, airflow, and install headaches in real bathrooms, not a lab, so you don't waste money or time. Product number 1, Amico Bathroom Exhaust Fan 80 CFM 2-pack. When I pulled the Amico 80 CFM fan out of the box, it felt solid but not bulky, which mattered fitting it between joists. The grill snapped on clean and didn't feel flimsy. Once installed, the first thing I noticed was how quiet it stayed while pulling steam out after long showers. At one zone, it's more of a soft hum than a fan roar. In my small guest bath, moisture cleared fast and mirrors didn't stay foggy. Installation was honestly painless since I didn't need attic access, and the brackets lined up without fighting them. I like that it felt safe and well-built knowing it's UL certified. If you've got a bathroom around 80 square feet and want something quiet that's easy to install, this one makes a lot of sense. That said, bigger bathrooms need a bit more muscle for those situations. You'll want a stronger upgrade instead. Product number 2, Brown New Tone Easy Retrofit 80 CFM. I've installed a lot of fans, and holding the Brown New Tone Retrofit model, it immediately felt refined. The grill design is clean and lightweight, and it snaps in without bending. During testing, the 80 CFM airflow handled daily showers well, especially clearing odors fast. What stood out was the install. I didn't cut drywall or crawl into the attic, and the slide clip system saved me real time. Noise-wise, it's quiet enough that you forget it's running, but you still hear a faint reminder. Energy Star rating showed up later on my power bill, which I appreciated. This fan works best in bathrooms under 75 square feet where you want easy install and reliable moisture control. If you're replacing an old noisy fan and hate complicated installs, this one feels like a stress-free swap. Let's move to a stronger option with higher airflow for larger bathrooms and tougher moisture problems overall here. Product number 3, Amico Bathroom Exhaust Fan 110 CFM. When I handled the Amico 110 CFM fan, it was noticeably bigger and heavier, and that gave me confidence. The housing felt sturdy, and the larger grill covered the ceiling cut cleanly. Once running, this thing moved air fast. After hot showers, steam cleared way quicker compared to smaller fans I tested. Installation was straightforward with the included brackets, and again, no attic access needed, which I loved. I put this in a main bathroom around 100 square feet, and it handled moisture without lingering dampness. If your bathroom is medium-sized and you want power without noise, this is a sweet spot. Smaller bathrooms might be overkill, but for shared baths, it shines. I also appreciated how balanced it felt between performance, sound, and overall daily comfort during regular family use over months testing. Product number 4, Brown New Tone Exhaust Fan with LED Light 60 CFM. Picking up the Brown New Tone fan with the LED light, it felt compact and well finished. The grill has a clean, modern look, and the light diffuser didn't feel cheap. In use, this fan is seriously quiet. At under 1 zone, I barely noticed it running, even late at night. The 60 CFM airflow worked best in my smaller bathroom, keeping moisture under control without overventing. The built-in LED light was bright enough for daily use and saved ceiling space. Installation was fast since I didn't cut drywall or access the attic, which made it a win for retrofits. If you've got a small bathroom and want quiet operation plus lighting in one unit, this is a solid pick. Larger bathrooms will need more airflow though. I found it especially useful in guest baths, where silence and simplicity matter most, without adding another ceiling fixture or complicated wiring during quick upgrades projects. Product number 5, Brown New Tone 50 CFM Bathroom Exhaust Fan. When I opened the Brown New Tone 50 CFM fan, it was clearly designed for small spaces. The housing is compact and the grill is bright white, blending right into the ceiling. During testing in a powder room, it handled basic moisture and odors without any issue. It's not silent, but the 2-zone noise level was totally acceptable and didn't feel annoying. Installation was simple thanks to the foldable mounting brackets, and I didn't need attic access or extra tools. This fan feels practical and straightforward, not flashy, It's best for small bathrooms under 45 square feet where you just need reliable ventilation. If you're upgrading an old fan or doing a quick refresh, this does the job without spending much. For bigger bathrooms or heavy steam, you'll want something stronger. I liked it most for rental properties or guest baths needing simple, dependable airflow, without complicated installation steps at all. After testing all 5, it really comes down to your bathroom size, noise tolerance, and install situation. I've linked each option below so you can check current prices. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more honest, hands-on reviews.